Good morning. This class is in English. Today is Wednesday, 29 April 2020. Let's see Unit 6, Life and Numbers. See? Let's see what is it. Unit 6, Life and Number is Spading Learning. Point number 1 is use the foreign language is a medium for other idiots and vote with confidence and effectiveness towards people from the other culture. Point number 2 is use the forest language to organize it through and speech in critical analysis and solve problems, as well as participate in various exchange of cultural expressions of their own and of other countries. Let's see Unit 6 Life in Numbers. Object point number 1 is I can use a wide variety of numbers and times. And then point number 2, I can understand a test about a number. Okay? Let's see what is it. Is or are. Okay? Is or are is the verb to be. Okay? Is in singular and plural. Okay? Grammar focus. And is or are. Is and are is when decide the whether to use is or are. Okay? Is when decided whether is used is or are. Look at whether the nouns in plural or singular. If the noun is singular, use is if it is plural or there is more than one noun, use are. You need look right here, okay? Is whether the noun is plural or singular. If the noun is singular, use is. Use is. If it's plural or there is more than one noun, use are. Let's see the example correct. Example correct is the cat is eating all of his food. See, the cat is eating all of his food. Right here is singular. Next, the cats are eating all of their food. See, the cats are eating all their food. Right here, the second example is are is plural. Okay, and then the cat and dog are eating as fast as they can. Okay, the cat and dog are eating as fast as they can. Is are is the one is the animal and second animal is a plural. Okay, the cat and dog are eating as fast as they can. This is the most basic is and are grammar ruler. Okay, and this most basic is or are grammar ruler. Let's see. There is a tip. Want to make sure you grade it always. Looks great. Grammarly can say your front misspelling. Grammatical and punctuation mistake and other grading issues on all your favorite habits. Okay, this is important, you guys, because the grammar say can save you from misspelling, a grammatical and punctuation mistake, and other grading use in all your favorite website. This is how to use is and are. Is in singular and are is in plural. Next, is and are, we call it a noun. Calling nouns is and are is. A calling noun refers to a group of people or things that is theater as a singular entitled speech. Okay, it's called nouns refer a group people or things. Okay, a singular entitled speech. Comedy is a called noun. A comedy is made up of multiply people but the word it itself is singular in form. Okay? As comedy called it noun, a comedy is made up multiple people, but the word itself is singular form. In American English, see, collective nouns take is. In British English, collective nouns can take is or are. Let's see correct sense right here. The committee is considering the budget right now. See? Another one is the outing is getting antsy. Next, the couple is moving to California. See? The couple is moving to California. Right here is but even in American English. But even in American English, a collective noun can take are when you need to emphasize the individual members of the group. Repeat. A collective noun can take are when you need to emphasize the individual members of the group. Let's see right here. The couple are keeping secrets from each other. The couple are keeping secrets from each other. This is the collective noun is and are. Next is and are with mass nouns. Mass nouns is also collect nocturne nouns. Okay? Are similar to collect nouns. They refer to things that can really be counted. Sun and water are must noun. Must noun take is in both American and British English. Okay? Is must noun take is the both American and British English. Let's see the correct. The sun is too hard to work on. The sun is too hot to work on. Next example, water is your most precious sources. And number 3 is pudding is very easy to make, okay? This is the example 2 is and were is the mass nouns, okay? The sound is, the water is, and pudding is, okay? Next. Is and are with the number of, a pair of, a group of. See? Repeat. Is, are with a number of, a pair of, a group of. Collecting phrase like a numbers of or a pair of can make it hard to show between is and are. Which verb do you use when you're talking about a numbers of people? On one hand, number is singular, which call for is. But people is plural, which call for are. Topical, it is best to use are with a number of. You may occasionally run into a pet who disagrees, but actual usage is on your side. Okay? You need which verb do you use when you are talking about numbers of people. It's one on one hand, number is singular, which call for is. But people is plural, which call for are. Typical, it is best to use are with a number of. You may occasionally run into a pedant who disagrees, but to say is your side, okay? Look at correct and incorrect. The correct is a number of people are connected about the lack of progress. And incorrect say a number of people is connected about the lack of progress, okay? These are a number of people are connected about the like progress. This is the correct. Incorrect is right here. because the number of the people is connected above the lake of degrees. This is and are with a number of, a pair of, or a group of. Okay? You need to know this. Next, there is and there are. Right here, there is and there are is. When shown between there is and there are, you have to look at what comes after it. See? Is. When showing between there is and there are, you have to look at what comes after each sound. Example. This. There is a cat on the porch. See? There is a cat on the porch. Let's see. In the sense, about cat is singular. So it requires there is. Okay? Next, there are many opportunities to learn at this company. Okay? There are many opportunities to learn at this company. In the sense, about opportunity is a plural. So it requests there are. Don't let the word many throw you off. Concentrate on the noun. Okay? Right here in the sense about opportunity is a plural. Right here is a plural. There are. Okay? And right here is the sense about is a singular. There is singular, there are is a plural. So request there are. Don't let the word many throw you off. Concentrate of the nouns. Okay? Next. There is and there are. How do we form sense with there? Let's see, singular and plural. There is. See, contract, there is. There is a man standing outside. See, singular. In contract, there is a big tree in the middle of the gutter. Okay? And let's see right here, the question. Is there? Is there anyone in your house? Another one is there a problem with my presentation? See, is the question. Is there anyone in your house? The next question is there a problem with my presentation? Next, and negative. There is not. Construction is isn't. See? There isn't anyone inside the house. Another one is there isn't any meal in the refrigerator. See? Is the two is there is not, and negative is isn't. There isn't any inside the house. There isn't any meal in the refrigerator. Let's see the plural. The plural is there are. There are a lot of people in the mall. See, there are a lot of people in the mall. The next is there are many mistakes in your report. Okay, this is the plural. And the question is, there are any problems in this argument? The question, there are any problems in this argument? Another question is, are there any mistake in my report? This is the question in plural. The next is a negative plural. Negative plural is there are not. Contract is aren't. Is they aren't a lot of people interested. They are not a lot of people interested. Another one is enjoying the context. Okay? Look at right here. Compare there is and it is. Okay? There is and it is. There is show is the existence of something or someone. It is identifies something or someone. Okay? And let's see right here. There is a book on the table. See? Another one is there is somebody on the door. This is there is. There is there is a book on the table. Another one is there is a somebody on the door. Next, it is. I like this book. It is interesting. It is the book. Okay? Next, right here is the door is very heavy. It is expensive. Okay? It is the door. See, this is a compounded there is and it is. Okay? Right here is there is and there are. Okay? We use there is and there are to say that something excites. We use there is for singular and there are for plural. Look at the example. Example, there is one table in the classroom. The next is there are 3 chairs in the classroom. See? Next, there is a spider in the bath. Next, there are many people at the bus stop. Okay? And there is plus a countable and uncountable nouns. There are is a countable. Okay? There is, you can countable and uncountable. And right here, there are is accountable. Okay?